What's up, Goddess Gang? Today we are back with another video, and if you saw my last video, then you already know what time it is, because I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. I'm still here doing back to back to back to back to back to back. You guys, we are going in once again with our 3XL taper square full coverage tips. I unboxed these on a previous video. They're from Amazon. I have not linked them on my storefront yet as I'm filming this, but I am going to link them, you guys. I got you, okay? I love you guys so much. I did shout out the actual brand. I showed you guys like on my phone and everything, more or less where they came from. Today we are going to be using Born Pretty in the cut. We got our pastel colors. We're also using Rosalind glitters. You guys watch me unbox this. We got a new Rosalind package coming soon. I got to send them an email, let them know that they got their video posted, and we need some new goodies, so we're gonna be letting them know. Also, we are going to be filming another Born Pretty video. In this video, we do have our Born Pretty now Aurora Lacquer or whatever. You guys are going to see that as well, and I really actually love it. This is a set that we're creating. You guys saw it in the thumbnail or whatever. So I was thinking, I'm like, I really want to use the hell out of these Born Pretty pastels because they are a very much good vibe, right? And I was like, what would make this pastel even better? Oh, I know, to use the little unichrome, aurora chrome, whatever the heck on top of it. And I was like, that is yes. Okay. And then I was like, what would make it even better? Because that's pretty plain, which you guys are going to see. Pretty plain. And I was like, glitters. We got these Rosalind glitters. We need to put them to use. And I was like, oh, what if I can find a pastel and a glitter combination for each nail? And then y'all already know that I always be telling y'all about V. Shout out to Victoria in the cut. Y'all are gonna see us collab real soon, I promise y'all. But I was inspired by a nail set that she created. Let me see if I could pull it up real quickly. So I tried to make this video very minimalistic for you guys. I know I've been posting some long videos lately, so I was like, listen, I'm not gonna torture y'all today. The thing I love about V is that every time I get on Instagram, her little tail is at the top. Okay. I be like, V, you always at the top. All right. So these are the nails that she created. Y'all can see that? Hold on. Let me see. Can y'all? Okay. I know it's not going to be super clear, but those were the nails that she created. And they have these flowers that y'all are going to see me using on them. And so I was like, hey, I got some flowers like those. This is very cute. And I really liked her design. So I was definitely inspired by hers. But you guys know I always got to be extra with it. I always got to do the most. And so I added some big pearls, you know, little extra. So anyways, that's that. Oh my gosh, you guys. Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I think I need to get ready to eat dinner. So my boyfriend doesn't know that the kids are not home because they went with their friends and they're going to be gone for a while. So yeah. I think I might not have to work. Hopefully. I'm about to check right now. If I don't, I'll be like, can you take me out for dinner? Schedule. Oops, my schedule. Oh, hell no. Gosh. Oh, well, I'm just going to have to miss them. They better get picked up. I can't. Anyways. All of my hours got picked up except for 1 hour from the next 10 minutes from now until the next hour and 10 minutes from now. But, oh, well, I'm not going to worry about it. I'll just, you know, I have to do other things like this. Anyway, so yeah. But I figured that since the kids were not home, that it would be a good time to hang out with him and also to hang out with you guys. He's almost home. Don't rush home. Don't rush home. I told him, I was like, I'm always checking your location when I'm on my videos. I get so nervous, like filming around people. With my kids, if they're not like in the same room, it's like I can do it. I'm okay. But with him, I just get so shy. I don't know why. Or with any guy. It's because I had a traumatic childhood, y'all. When I was in my last relationship, I learned that I had a fear of men. And I was like, this is so weird. So luckily my boyfriend, he's younger than me. Only a few years. So like I'm the intimidating one in our relationship, which makes me feel a little more secure, believe it or not. Sad. But I don't really feel like that uncomfortable around him. I think I've kind of outgrown like that feeling of like discomfort around guys. But I still am very shy around them. So yeah, that's that. Probably TMI, you guys. But anyways, how do you guys like this gold over the yellow? I am freaking obsessed. I would have loved to have a whole set with just these. Like, oh my, yes. And by the way, which one is you guys' favorite? I really ended up liking this white one. But honestly, I love them all. It's hard to choose. And my boyfriend gets home, he's going to look at my nails. He's going to look at my nails. He's going to look at my nails. So anyways, how do you guys miss me just putting music over my videos? Because I feel like I talk way too much. And I thought that this video was probably going to be a good video for me to just lay some music over and let y'all watch it. But I always feel so guilty. There's about 7 minutes left. I know my boyfriend ain't going to get home in 7 minutes, y'all. It'll be okay. I want to meet him at the door. Boy, I'm trying to meet you at the door. Okay, I need to stop. I thought about doing podcasting on my blog. I can turn all my blog posts into podcasts, and I thought that would be so fun to make a podcast episode to go with each of my blog posts, so you guys can always like DM me or drop comments and let me know. So yeah, you guys, I'm wired on coffee. I need to go for a walk. I need to go for a skate. I feel overwhelmed. So anyways, I'm very happy. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you're not already. If you want to be notified every time I upload. How y'all like the natural makeup look? I really honestly love it. I'm learning how to do my makeup, y'all. I'm learning. Okay, I done invested into multiple brushes. My boyfriend gave me $30 because I gave him a massage, and he was like, girl, that massage was good. I'm gonna give you some money. I was like, okay, poo. Took that money and went straight to Walgreens and bought all lip gloss. And like, my boyfriend don't like me wearing makeup, and I was like, hi, he would kill me if he knew literally that I took his money and spent it on makeup. So I hope you don't see this. But that was not the point. The day before that, I went and spent my own money on little makeup brushes. Elf has like the cheapest makeup brushes, especially if you go to Walmart. $2 specials, $5 specials, $4 specials, $3 specials. And they actually are quality. Wet n Wild is also a brand that has good products at affordable prices, especially if you go to like Walgreens, CVS. I'm on the fence with CVS, but Walgreens is good for them. And then of course Walmart too, but sometimes Walmart doesn't have the biggest selection for them. Walgreens has a wider selection. But anyways, so yeah, I went and got a couple of brushes. I got like a blending brush, I got a crease line brush, I got an eyeshadow brush. And it's good to have the different brushes because like the freaking powder goes where you need it, and you can actually blend and like get it how you want it. But so now that I have that luxury, my next goal is to like just try to make my makeup look as natural as possible, because my boyfriend hates makeup, which I can totally empathize. But sometimes I do my makeup and I'm like, if I could just add some lashes, oh my gosh, I would be like, He would kill me. I cannot. But I think I'm gonna just try to get like some super minimalistic ones, and the magnetic ones, and I'm just gonna like and then I always want to draw like a cat eye, which I don't even know how to do. I gotta learn how to do it, but I always want to do that, and I already know if he sees me with that, he gonna freak. Then I realized that instead of using black makeup, I should probably use like dark brown, because that probably look more natural. So yeah, I gotta do all this just to like keep up with all the other girls, but I know I don't have to, so that's why my makeup usually looks pretty natural and minimalistic. And this right here, I love this. If I could just add like a bold lip and some lashes with this, I'll be happy. My lips right now, they looking busted and disgusting. Nah, I'm just kidding. I have been so addicted to saying that, busted and disgusted, ever since I made it up, which I'm sure someone else made that up, right? Anyways. Oh no! He's very close. We're almost done with the video, y'all. I'm just being dramatic because it's hilarious. So yeah, this is the nail set. I sped it up as quickly as I could without being too obnoxious. I felt like this was pretty fast, but it is what it is. So we're going to be using our other Born Pretty colors, you guys. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. But I don't know what. Like, I haven't had a design come into mind yet. I feel like I want to do something like that you guys have probably seen before other places, but just try it, like maybe like some kind of viral trend. Because I'm really thinking of doing, I really want to do a set that's long like this with a solid color, add the unichrome, and then add like some kind of design with top coat, and then wipe off the rest, and then have that like, you know, unichrome versus the base color and stuff. Y'all seen that before, but it just doesn't feel like it's lit enough. It just doesn't. Hold on, y'all. So I also am dying to use these little lollipops. I'm really dying to use those. Yeah, I'm not really dying to use anything else right away. Oh yeah, a super cute pink set would be super cute. Super cute. I don't know. I would love if you guys would, hold on y'all. I would love if you guys would DM me nail design ideas, because I really like want to do some stuff. If you guys go watch my Shein unboxing and drop comments to let me know what products to use from there that I should like create nails with. But I'm going to be using the Born Pretty colors, and then also we're going to be using more of the 𝐤𝐻 colors. Here we're gluing our bling on with the Extend Gel. I honestly love using the Extend Gel for my bling because it holds well. It's from SXC Cosmetics, and you guys know you can always save 15% on your SXC with my discount code 𝑠corpiongoddess. So that's that. But yeah, and then I kind of sped this up. How do you guys like the edit on this? I was not perfectly into frame on everything, but I did pretty good, and I thought it went well. I'm really trying to figure out how I want to do each video, because like I want to have different video types. And you guys, my channel is going to blow up very soon. And for all of you guys who've been here since the beginning, I'm so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be in the comments like, oh, I remember when she only had like 200 subscribers. Literally, I'm so excited. But anyways, here's the final product. And you guys drop comments and let me know what you think. I'm also going to show you guys this set outside and in a little bit of a different light. I love you guys so much. I'll holla y'all. Peace.
something. I will always love you.